Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the exterior door handle from any Mercedes-Benz GLE out there. So today I'm working on this car and I'll have to remove the exterior door handle in order for me to polish underneath, and because of that I decided to make a video and show you all how to do it. So as you can see right here, I will work on the driver's side, in the front side, and after that I will show you all how to do it even on the rear side, on any side. So as you can see, to begin, what you have to do is to open the door, and then right here in this little hole you have a little rubber piece which you have to remove using your hand, and then inside there you'll find a little screw which you have to unscrew using a Torx 20. You'll have to unscrew this little screw until it's not coming out anymore. From here, what you have to do is to pull the exterior of the door handle. You'll have to hold it out into the open position all the time until you are done with removing the little screw from inside the door, and then you'll have to remove the locking part from the door. And after you remove the locking part from the door handle will stay into the open position all the time, and in this way you will be able to remove it completely out from the door. So as you can see, the screw is not coming out anymore, and from here what I have to do is to pull the locking part from the door. And you'll have to pull it with one hand. It will come out very easy, like it's coming out in my case, and now the exterior door handle will be stay blocked like this. So as you can see, the door handle is not going in anymore, and from here you have to pull it to the right and lift it up, and in this way the door handle is coming out from the car. And from here, if you want, you can close the door, or you don't have to close it, depends on your preferences. And in my case, for example, I like to shut it closed, and then I like to work on the car, and then I will go ahead and put it back in the door. If you want to install the door handle back on the door, it's the exact same method. You'll have to open the door, you'll have to pull from the door, and you'll have to install the handle in the exact same way as you uninstalled it. So as you can see, you'll have to put it like this, and then you'll have to push it in and slide it to the left. As you can see, now the door handle is locked into place, and from here I'll have to pull this locking part, I'll have to install it back in the door, and then I'll have to tighten the screw from inside the door until it's not going in anymore, and that's it. Alright everybody, now I'm done with installing the door handle back on the front door, and from here this is all you have to do if you want to remove the exterior door handle on the front side. Now I will go ahead and show you all how to do it on the rear side. Okay everybody, so from here I will go ahead and show you all how to remove the exterior door handle on the rear side on this car. So the first thing which you have to do is to open the door, and then you'll have to check for this little rubber piece which is covering the little hole like on the front side, and inside that little hole you'll find the screw which you'll have to remove if you want to remove the exterior door handle from the door. And as you can see right here, this plastic from underneath the door handle, it will be the locking part which you'll have to remove using your hand, and only after that you will be able to remove the exterior door handle out from the door completely. Alright everybody, so as also, this is how to remove the exterior door handle from the front side and also from the rear side on any matches Benz GLE out there. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.